Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a man who has become the definition of hard work, determination, and success. A man who started with almost nothing and went on to become one of the greatest footballers in history. Yes, I am talking about none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. This is not just the story of goals and trophies. This is the story of persistence, sacrifice, and the belief that with enough hard work, you can rewrite destiny. So stay with me till the end, because Cristiano Ronaldo's career is more than just football, it is pure motivation for all of us. Early life and struggles. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born in Madeira, Portugal, in 1985. He grew up in a very humble background. His father worked as a kit man, and his family didn't have much money. Many kids give up when life is tough, but Ronaldo didn't. He used football as his escape, his dream, and his motivation. At just 12 years old, he left his home and family behind to join Sporting Lisbon. Imagine being a young boy, far from your parents, living in a new city, chasing a dream that looked almost impossible. That's how Ronaldo started. He faced homesickness, financial struggles, and even bullying. But instead of breaking him, these challenges made him stronger. Breakthrough at Manchester United. Ronaldo's talent couldn't stay hidden for long. In 2003, Sir Alex Ferguson, the legendary Manchester United manager, signed him for £12 million. At that time, he was just 18 years old. Think about it, a teenager from Portugal suddenly playing in the English Premier League, the toughest football league in the world. Many players fail at this stage. But Ronaldo was different. He had skills, but more importantly, he had hunger. At Manchester United, he worked harder than anyone else. He was the first to arrive at training and the last to leave. While others celebrated, he was practicing free kicks, improving his speed, and building his body. His dedication paid off. He helped Manchester United win 3 Premier League titles, the FA Cup, and most importantly, the UEFA Champions League in 2008. That same year, Ronaldo won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. From a poor boy in Madeira to the world's best, that is the power of never giving up. Real Madrid, the era of greatness. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record-breaking move to Real Madrid for £80 million. Many people doubted him. They said the pressure would be too much. But once again, Ronaldo proved them wrong. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo became a machine. Season after season, he broke records that seemed impossible. He became the club's all-time leading goal scorer with 450 goals in just 438 games, more goals than games. That's unbelievable. With Real Madrid, he won 2 La Liga titles, 2 Copa del Rey titles, and most importantly, 4 Champions League